This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 2 apps that will give you free money just for downloading them. So what I'm going to do is hop over here to my computer and show you these 2 apps that you can download right now. But before I do that, I would like to say how you doing to all my new viewers out there. Thank you for checking out my channel and watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel because I bring videos that will help you make money with apps, make money on YouTube, and make money online. So please subscribe to my channel today. And also like this video if you like what I'm talking about today. Also, please watch this video to the very end because I have a special offer that I'm giving away. But not one special offer, not 2 special offers. I'm giving away 3 special offers today. So please watch this video to the very end so you can find out how to get these 3 offers that I'm giving away today. So enough talking about this. Without further ado, let me go ahead and jump over here to my computer and show you these 2 apps that you can download today and get free money. I'm at the first app, and it's called Dosh, and it's available on Apple and Google Play Store. And what it is, well, let me tell you what it's not. It's not points, it's not coupons, just cold hard cash. So this is a cashback app. So every time you use the app and you buy things at shopping stores, department stores, or get gas, you get cash back. Simple as that. So all you have to do is link your credit card or your debit card to the app. And once you use that credit card through the app, that's when you get your cash back. So all you have to do is just go ahead and download this app. Like I said, it's available on Google Play or the Apple App Store. Download that and get started. And you also can get paid $5 every time you refer it to friends. So that's just free money for just using your app wherever you want to go. Use it for just wherever you want to go and shop. You just use this app. You get cash back. And if you refer your friends, you get, $5, free $5, just like that. So if you want to learn more about this app, go ahead to Dosh. Go to www.dosh.cash. Let me go ahead and go to the next app. The second app is called Top Cashback. So this is a cashback app. So what you do is once you sign up, when you use this app and you purchase things, you get cash back. So let's look at how does it work. So when you make a purchase from a retailer featured on Top Cashback, after clicking through from our site, the retailer will give us a commission for sending you to their website. We pass 100% of this commission back to you as cash back, which is added to your earnings page. And once the commission is actually paid to the retailer, then we'll make your cash back payable to withdraw and spend. So that's how that works. Also, once you sign up for this, you get $10 free just for signing up. So go ahead and check this out. And to learn more about this, go to this website here, which is called topcashback.com. Go here, learn more, sign up, get that free money, get that free $10. So that's the two apps you can get money from with absolutely hardly doing anything. That's free money you can get.
What's up, guys? Sorry to interrupt, but I need your help. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if you help me get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to reward a lucky subscriber with $25. So please subscribe today, leave a comment, and you could be a lucky winner of $25. So once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to reward a person that drops a comment that's a subscriber. When he drops a comment, I'm just going to pick the best comment I like and reward that person with $25. So help me today. Help me to get that 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching this video. So let's go back to the video right now. Sorry for the interruption.
So now you know the two apps you can download right now and get free money. So go ahead and download those free apps right now and start getting that free money. So that's all I have for today. And as promised, for watching this video to the very end, I'm going to tell you about the 3 free giveaways that I'm giving away today. But first, let me ask you this. Do you have an app idea but don't know how to get it made? Well, with 6 years of experience developing apps, I can show you how. All you have to do is download this free ebook, which is called How to Make Money Creating Apps Without Coding. Download that book and that will show you step by step how to create an app without any coding and how to make money from the apps that you create. And that is free for you today. Just click on the link below this video in the description and download that. That's for you, a free gift for you. Also, if you want that in an online version, I have it also in the link below. Click on the link below. It's called How to Make Money Creating Apps Without Coding online course. Now that's going to cost a little money. Instead of going to Starbucks, just buy this course. It's only $8.99 and I have it on sale today. So it's going to go up. So go ahead and get it right now while it's at a low price of $8.99. So now I'm going to tell you about the 3 free offers that I'm giving away today. This is how you get it. All you have to do is go to my website, which is called Substation. So all you have to do when you go to that website, you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and there on the website there are 3 ebooks, free ebooks that you can download. It's an ebook about Facebook ads, it's an ebook about YouTube, and it's an ebook about how to make money online. So these are very popular ebooks that I'm giving away. So please go to that website. Now it's in the link below. Just click on the link below. You're going to see it says Substation. So click on that link and go to the website and get those free ebooks right now. So that's all I have for today. Again, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop a comment. And also share this video on Facebook, Instagram, on Snapchat, and any other social network that you guys are a part of. Please share this all over the internet, because I want to help everybody across the internet that's on the internet. I want to help them become their own boss. So also share this with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, because I will be dropping more videos like this on a weekly and maybe daily basis. So that's all I have for today. Again, thank you for tuning in. And before I go, make sure you get your grind on.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.